The Minister of Finance findings indicate that small and medium enterprises were the most hit by COVID-19 pandemic. In a bid to revitalize the economy, government has come up with a stimulus package to allow business owners borrow from commercial banks and microfinance institutions supervised by Bank of Uganda. The Minister of Finance has signed a partnership deal with commercial banks which will contribute 100 billion shillings to be matched by government. The Minister of Finance Matia Kasaija spelled out some provisions of the package structure.
Businesses operated by individuals, groups or partnerships and companies employing 549 people and with an annual turnover of shillings 10 million, between 10 million and 100 million are eligible under this fund. A borrower or group of related parties shall only access financing once under the fund, once.
The minister has also hinted on the cost of loans under the fund.
Facility fees charged by the lenders to eligible borrowers will not exceed 0.5% of the total loan amount and shall be a one-off charge.
Although the Federation of Small and Medium Enterprises welcomed government's move to support the SMEs, their concern is about collateral or security for the loans, which will be determined by the lenders.
The minister's assessment says the borrower and the lender will agree. We all know that the lender has more power than the borrower. Therefore, it's hard to believe that a borrower can can force a financial institution to give them a better term. So if financial institutions insist, for instance, on land, then it means the uptake will be low.
They can be physical collateral, the one you're familiar with, like land, a title, or vehicle. But you can also use contracts if you're a supplier. You can use insurance. You can use guarantees.
So the bank will do the assessment based on the amount that you are borrowing, based on your ability to pay, based on the risk in your business model, and it will then require the security commensurate.
In terms of interest rate, for example, when you borrow 100,000 shillings, you will only pay 10% interest on half of that amount. That is 50,000 shillings, since government is paying half of the principal, which is interest-free. The Minister of Finance, Matia Kasaija, has warned the public, especially the borrowers, against paying any money to people who will be claiming to be the ones to help them access the fund. Although there is no clear research to indicate how many people are supposed to be benefiting from the package, the minister has said that even if the 200 billion shillings gets all borrowed at a given time, they will be ready to replenish the coffers. Sudhir Ruhanga, NTV, Kampala.